Today we will be looking at text features in videos and thinking about what those text features are trying to teach us. As a reminder, some text features include the title page, table of contents, headings, glossaries, maps, captions, graphs, charts, tables, subheadings, bullet points, labels, illustrations and photographs, sidebars, and many more. Let's practice by looking at a photo in my penguin book. I notice that this penguin is mostly gray. It's very cute, and it's probably a baby. I also notice a bigger foot that the tiny foot is resting on. What might this photo be trying to show me? I think it's trying to show how a parent, maybe this big white part and the big foot, is trying to keep the baby warm. Now let's take a look at the caption, another text feature that's underneath the photo. It says, outside of the brood pouch, a chick can die from the cold within 2 minutes. I'm noticing that it is saying that there's a chick, or the baby penguin. I notice it also mentions the cold. And I notice this important word here, brood pouch. So what might this caption be trying to teach me? I think it's trying to give me more information about how the baby is kept warm by the parent penguin and why. The baby penguin is kept warm in a brood pouch that the adult penguin has, and it's using this to keep the baby penguin warm because the baby penguin cannot survive if it were to leave this area. Let's try another text feature. The text feature that stands out to me on this page is the map. Let's see what the map is trying to teach me. I'm noticing that some of the continents have different colors on them. Purple, green, a dark green, some like a yellowish orange, hot pink, darker orange. I'm also noticing that these colors, the darker orange, the pink, the lighter green, are the colors of the bubbles attached to each of the penguins. Maybe these go together. I also noticed that the penguins are different looking. This one has like a bluish tint to its feathers. These ones have silly yellow hair. This one over here has like black spots on its belly. Oh look, a map key. The bright green is African. The lighter yet orange is Emperor. The pink is erect crested. The teal is Galapagos. Oh, that must be over here. Oh. So I'm learning that African penguins live in the southern border near the water of Africa. And purple Humboldt penguins live in the western border of South America. And little blue penguins live all over Australia in the southern area and this island area over here. Let's look at Antarctica. Oh, emperor penguins live all around Antarctica, as well as some emperor and gentoo penguins. So this map is teaching me where the different breeds of penguins live all over our planet Earth. You know what else I'm noticing? All of these colors from our map key are all located in the southern hemisphere or below the Earth's equator on our map. So I'm also learning that penguins only live in the southern hemisphere of our planet. Now you go try. Look for photos, captions, maps, and other text features in your books. Then ask yourself, what do I notice and what is this trying to teach me?